नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्ण पृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी निति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे हरे कृष्णा. Now we are going to discuss what is charity. It is described in the Bhagavad Gita. There are three kinds of charities. One charity which is done in the mode of goodness, one charity that is done in the mode of passion, and one kind of charity is done in the mode of ignorance. The three gunas, sattva, rajas and tamas. The charity which is done in the mode of goodness, what are the qualities of that charity? We'll discuss this. That charity is given out of duty, with no expectation of any return. Just see. This charity is done out of duty. Yes, I should be charitable. And it should be done out of expectation of any return. That I will get any blessings, I will, get any kind of a fruitive result by giving this charity. This is the charity in Sattva Gun, in the mode of goodness. It is done at a proper place and at a proper time. This is very important. Usually, charity should be done on an auspicious day. Because charity done on an auspicious day magnifies the result. It is said on the days of Ekadashi, just by feeding the cow, or helping some Brahmana, helping a devotee, giving some kind of money, this results in great magnitude of result. At a proper time, it is also said during the eclipse or right after the eclipse, if one gives charity, one gets great result. At a proper time also there are muhurtas which are described in astrology, that how at a proper time by giving at a proper place, a proper charity gives great results. So these are charities which are done in the mode of goodness. This charity has to be given to a worthy person. A very important point. Give it to the poor, give it to the needy, give it to those who are spreading this love of Krishna, love of God, who are preaching the glories of this holy name. Give it to such people. This is a wonderful way to give charity. Now we come to charity which is performed, which is just performed with the expectation of a result, is the charity in the mode of passion. It is performed by having some kind of a fruitive idea that I would like to attain a certain material desire. Only then I will give charity. And when that charity is done, one is anxiously waiting for that desire to be fulfilled. Such a charity is in the mode of passion. This kind of charity also can be done in a grudging mood. Just when one is advised by some kind of an astrologer or some kind of a pandit that, please do this austerity, please do this charity, and you will gain this result. And though we may not want to do this charity, it's done in a grudging mood. This is a charity in the mode of passion. The last kind of charity is in the mode of ignorance. It is done at an impure place, at an improper time, and it's given to an unworthy person. I would like to even give an example. A lot of people nowadays go to the bar to drink, which is not recommended at all, and they give a tip to the bartender. That is a kind of a charity, but it is not proper. It's not at a proper place and definitely not at a proper time, and it's to an unworthy person. So definitely charity should be done in the mode of goodness. It should be done at a proper place, a proper time, given out of duty without expectation of a result. The highest charity is the chanting of the holy name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna.